Well, what we see now is actually the railing segments what we built, and we sprayed it with the gray color, what is actually main color on the Aurora cruiser, and this railing belong to that ship. As you can see, we just have that legs keeping the vertical because of drying the color. This is, as you see, looking very correct, nice. The other one, the smaller one, as the good looking too, and the other one as this one. As you see, this is a good work, clean. Now we are ready to actually see Aurora cruiser and exactly the railing on the ship where I use this, the railing. That means next will be showing you the famous Aurora cruiser.